thinking about we're going to die because the water is very, I don't know, I can explain my experience during that time because we have no more. We wrote the most important is life, and even though we have nothing left, but we are too much happy because we are all safe. Our family are very safe, and all my neighbors are safe. So thank you.
Thank you for this blanket and mat. I don't know how to explain why I'm here. I am very scared about the flood that flowed. I am thankful to God that He saved me, and also my whole family He saved me, and also to DAREDEMO hero that adopting me here. Mas gusto ko call my husband to get in the center there. We will inside so that we will keep comfort him. Thank you so much, DAREDEMO hero, and all sponsors that you give us. God bless you always.
Asa masugatan?